Okay. This officer here is trying to start a fight. That's all I'm trying to do is talk to another officer.
Okay, I'll
See?
talk with you. I'll talk with you. Come on.
Yeah. Well, look it. He's still following. This is the aggression that we were dealing with. He wants me down here. You want me over there. I'm not trying to cause a problem. I'm not doing nothing. You came up to me and started talking to me.
You guys was harassing me.
No, sir. I was sitting. Again,
Why?
I'm trying, but I can't with him. I can't with him chasing me down like this.
Why are you harassing people over there?
What the hell, man?
He's doing their job.
Serious.
Why?
Why are you being like
Why
this?
are you harassing people?
I'm not doing anything.
Huh?
I'm asking you to
And now
stop.
you're using the taxpayers'
I'm asking
money
you to
for an
stop.
ambulance?
I'm asking you to stop.
You guys better
I'm
get
asking
together.
you to stop. No, I need someone above him now. You just saw what just happened. I wasn't doing nothing.
Turn that
Yeah,
thing
he
off.
was
Let me
talking. He
talk
was
to
asking
you.
you a question.
He was verbally getting in my face, and look
Come
at he's
over
coming
here so I can
back.
talk to you.
Serious guys, do your job and back him off,
Yeah,
please.
we will.
Please
But-
back him off.
No,
He's
no.
coming to me
Right.
again.
Okay, well, I'm just asking.
No, you're jeopardizing my safety by allowing
I am
him to
right
be like
here with
this.
you. I am right here with you.
I don't
am
feel
not-
safe around him.
Okay, that's why I'm escorting you away from him. Okay?
No, I'm walking away, and you're just following and asking me to sit here and talk with this guy
I
talking
am
like
not.
this.
I am not asking you to talk. I'm asking you to leave.
Okay,
I'm
so now you
escorting
want me to leave.
Yeah. Okay, to avoid this continual situation, I'm asking you to leave. You said you're fearful of being in his presence. So why don't you leave? You're putting yourself in this situation because you're
Because I
refusing
have
to
a right.
leave.
I have a right to a report.
do.
And you see the aggression that he's presenting towards the public. I am a member of the neighborhood board. All I'm trying to do is be here. There was a person that was involved in an altercation with him.
I'm willing to talk with
After
you.
harassing people,
Come on.
falsifying.
No, you are still chasing me down. Please stop. Please tell him to back off and get away from me.
Come over here so I can talk.
I would love to, but you need to keep him away from me, please. That's all I ask.
You need to get away from us. Harassing.
Sit down so I can talk to you about what happened back there. Okay?
What happened back there today?
I was sitting in a chair at Thomas Square, okay? I was in the park. I guess him and another officer pulled up to a gentleman that was sleeping in his car on the side of the road. Okay, one of those people was an occupier with the De-Occupy movement at Thomas Square.
Okay, but the car, what? Is it parked legal?
Well, I guess what happened is the gentleman overslept, and it was past 3:30, so it became a towaway zone. And that's what he was calling him on. And that's fine, right? That's doing his job.
Yeah.
That's not a problem. The problem started is when he asked for someone to move the vehicle. So they called me over there and asked if I could move the vehicle. He asked for my driver's license.
Okay, so he
I
didn't
gave-
just tow the car. He asked somebody to move the car.
Right.
Okay.
So I gave him my driver's license. He looked at it. He says, yes, could you please move the vehicle? I was like, sure, not a problem. And I asked where they wanted me to move it to. They said to put it on Young Street, which is a block down the road. Just park it there and not in the towaway zone. He even made sure, make sure you don't put it in another towaway zone.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So I get in the car. As soon as I get in the car, he starts yelling at me, if you drive this car away, I'm going to give you a $1,000 fine. What? I'm going to give you a $1,000 ticket if you drive this car away. But you told me to drive it. Well, there's no insurance on it. Okay, whatever you want. You asked me to tow it.
Did he ask you guys for insurance for the car?
He didn't ask me. I know nothing about that conversation.
who has
The
the
driver
car?
of the vehicle, I guess, doesn't have insurance on it.
Okay, so now he doesn't want
Right,
the car to
and
be
that's
driven.
fine. That's not a problem with me.
Okay.
But don't tell me to move a vehicle and then threaten me with the
Okay.
ticket, right? That's sort of problem is if the car isn't able to be moved because of another violation,
yeah.
just say this car can't be moved.
Okay.
Right? So okay, whatever. So I get out of the car. Next thing I know, he's chasing after me, still yelling at me when I leave. And but the gentleman asked the other girl if she could get his medication because he has medication. And the officer said, "Go ahead and go get it." There was that officer there. She went up, unlocked the thing. He knew that she was in the trunk. He's the one that told her to go ahead and get it for him. While she's in there, the tow truck pulls up. And I asked the officer, I was like, could you tell the tow truck to hold up for a sec while she's, getting the stuff? And he ignores me. I ask him again. He ignores me. The tow truck starts picking up the thing and the trunk goes, bam, just smacks her right in the back of the head. So I grab a hold of the
Did he hear
door.
you about that?
Yes, he was standing right there because he was yelling at me to get off the street. And I'm like, sir, she's trapped in the trunk with this. I'm just trying to help her out. You need to get off the street.
So
Get
she
off
got
the street.
injury when the
When-
wagon was trying to hook it up. And
Right,
stuff like
and
that.
he was refusing
And
to
she
do
was trying
anything
to
about it.
retrieve something.
Right, because under his authority, he told her to do it. I was a witness to it.
Okay.
And next thing you know, this guy starts screaming at me some more, and he's asking me questions, and I'm like,
Okay.
and I'm trying to answer his questions, and he won't let me speak.
Okay. This is what I'm going to do. Okay. Whatever. I don't know what. If he overheard you, maybe he did. Maybe he didn't. Yeah. The tow wagon guy probably wasn't even known that because he's busy in the front. Yeah.
Well, he was 5
He
feet
probably
from me,
wasn't-
but yeah, he knew.
But yeah, they knew. But sometimes they hook it up. They don't know somebody's going in the car. Yeah.
Yeah, but the officer did because I have him on
Yeah,
camera standing
well,
right next to me. So that makes
we
it
don't
difficult
know.
right there, right?
Yeah,
He knows.
so
He knows what's
if
going
the
on.
thing was caused by that, okay, we'll go ahead and make an injury and cared for, stating the reasons why.
Yeah, well, I think I need to file one after him for verbal
I'm
abuse,
getting
right?
over there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. The next thing I'm gonna refer you to that sergeant, is to go. You can go to the police commission and make a statement to them and make a complaint. Yeah. Okay. Police commission is located right over on Richard Street.
No, I feel with as many officers that was a witness to his aggression just now and his threatening behavior and trying to start a fight and get up into me in a confrontation, I feel that this police station should be handling their own right now. And I'm filing charges against him right now. And there is nothing that, because this isn't leaving the scene, this isn't later, this is now. And with all these officers here, that it's a witness, and I'm calling for someone to come over with authority to do this.
Now listen to me. When you go over to police commission,
I've already been there, and I know how that works. And you're pushing it off, and I know you're not meaning
I'm
to.
not pushing it off. This is the standard procedures when people want to
No,
make
you know what?
complaints
You know what?
against officers. You make the complaint
I'll let you speak.
there. They will send the thing over to the Internal Affairs that this officer was doing this such conduct, and cases will be made via the Internal Affairs with police commission.
Yeah. Well, right now, I have several witnesses that are police officers. I want a report done of this incident of him verbally chasing me down and threatening me in a very threatening manner, and refused under several other officers telling him to back off. Right now, there should be a report, because if I acted like that, you guys have me in cuffs. And you know it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
If I acted like that, you would have me arrested. So I want that person.
I cannot say that, okay?
Oh, you guys know
Okay.
you would. If I acted like that and was chasing someone down like that, you would arrest me for disorderly conduct.